development partners who are your friends are privy to this information. They are privy to this information and they condone it. They condone it. And we are also warning them. We are warning them to keep off the affairs of Kenya. Kenya is for Kenyans. And we know it much better than all of them. Whatever they are bringing as advice should just be an advice and it should be there. But we also know that you are the one who put Ruto in power. That is why whatever he wants to do, you are trying to defend. But we are warning you, please, please, for goodness sake, keep off the affairs of Kenya. Okadwa no mokadho kanyo. Asengiso gimo awacho pacha ukena wacho gimang'eyo. If I'm not saying the truth, let them deny and let them tell me what they want, what they know. Erokamano, ageno ni ka gimatin mawacho go Nyasaye were.